Okay, we're gonna try and see what we can do to make these problems not so hard. So first things first, I see a fraction, 45 divided by 15. Let's do that real quick. Clear this up. 45 divided by 15. Magical number is 3, so let's look at the answer choices and see which ones have 3. A and B. Kaboom, kaboom. Cross out C and D. So it's either A or B. Wonderful. Next thing we got to do, we're going to look at all these beautiful, beautiful exponents, and we should hopefully remember if I see a fraction, I'm subtracting these guys. So I'm going to do m negative 6 minus m negative 2. What am I subtracting those beautiful numbers? M negative 6 minus negative 2, calculator. Negative 6 minus negative 2. Boom, we get a negative 4. I get m negative 4. Which one has a 4? Let's make our life easy. B. M has a 4. That's all you got to do. Boom. Let's keep going. Not going to waste time. I did not have to do a lot of work. Next thing. Boom. Right here, you should see these exponents right on top of each other. What does that signify? Multiply. When they're right on top of each other, do that real quick. Negative 6 times 2. You should be able to do that. Negative 12. Do I see a negative 12 somewhere? Boom. Is that correct? Nice. Isn't that crazy? Mr. Ramirez, you're making this so easy. I know. Isn't that crazy? This one, we do got to put in a little work. Let's write it out. X22, X7 to the third. I just told you. What are we doing with these? Hopefully you just saw the previous problem. 7 times 3, X21. Next, I'm not multiplying these because they're not on top of each other. Instead, they're right next to each other. So the only thing I want to do is add. 42 plus 21 should get X 43. Is that correct? That is correct. Love it. Sir, how do I know what to do? Formula chart, I'll share with you later. Shoot, this is another hard one. Remember, it's a long time ago, but we're going to break it up. There's 1, 2, 3 parts in there. Boom, boom, boom. Parentheses, parentheses, parentheses. 1/2 goes to each one because I'm just breaking up the insides. And I put each one inside 144, R2, I mean K2, sorry, and R14. These guys I can take care of real quick. 14 times 1/2, 2 times 1/2. Let's check it out. 14 times alpha y equals enter 1/2. Alpha y equals enter gives you the fraction 7. So this is R7. Do I have any R7s here? Boom, boom. Cross these out. Love it. They have the same K, so don't worry about the K. Got to do this in the calculator. 144 to the power of half. How do I do that? Check it out. Parentheses. 144. Parentheses. Up button. It's a fraction, so put a fraction. Alpha y equals enter. 1/2. Enter. We get 12. Where's 12? Boom. Boom. Love it. It's a lot of work. I know. You're probably already scared. Don't be scared. Love it. Everything's going to be perfect. Q4, -3, Q, -15. I already see a fraction, but before I could do anything, don't forget, when they're on top of each other, multiply. So I got Q, 4 times -3, not sure, let's check. 4 times negative 3, negative 12, over Q negative 15. I already said when you see a fraction, we need to subtract Q negative 12 minus Q negative 15. Negative 12 minus negative 15. Let's check it out. Negative 12 minus negative 15. That gives me positive 3. Oops. That gives me Q with a positive 3. Boom, boom. Mr. Ramirez, you're getting all of them right. I know, because I've been doing this for I don't know how long already. No need to fear. Not going to lie to you, this is probably the hardest problem out there. There's no way for me to even try to minimize it other than just looking at the big numbers, okay? If you come across a problem like this, there's too much happening. I mean, I would love for you to try and do it, but let's simplify. Let's just look at the whole numbers. We got 10 over 2 times 4. 10 divided by 2 gives me 5 times 4. 5 times 4 is 20. Gonna cross out A and cross out C. Obviously, I know none of us are going to choose the one that looks easiest. Choose the one that's more complicated. Love it. Don't complicate your life. Again, this is only a test. You're going to pass this test if you're at least trying. I promise you, if you at least know half of the information, you should be able to pass. I promise. Mr. Ramirez, you made that so easy. I know. Don't even stress about it. I promise. All right, so right here, the area is given. We got to find, they give me the length. We don't know the width. This is the division problem. 54 x 9 y 8 over 6x3 y 4. You see a fraction, you divide those guys. 54 divided by 6, let's see it. 54 divided by 6 gives me a beautiful 9. Can immediately cross those out. Now we're helping each other out. What do I do with these exponents? Fraction tells me to subtract, so I got x9 minus x3. Let's subtract. 9 fingers minus 3 fingers gives me 6 fingers. That's x6. Do I see a 6 somewhere? Beautiful. Am I right? Let's check it out. Boom. Did I have to do the last one? No. Make your life easy. How much time do I got? Shoot, I went into 20 minutes. YOLO, let's finish it. Okay, we got x3, x negative 17. Oops. They're saying what's n. What's the ending result? Can't multiply. They're not on top of each other or next to each other. Let's add them. x3 plus x negative 17. Not sure how to add. No worries. 3 plus negative 17. Negative 14. Am I right? Mr. Ramirez is right. Man, I'm having too much fun teaching this today. Shoot, shoot, and more shoots. There's a lot of work, guys. There's 2 parts. Let's do this part first. 7x 3 to the 2. This is telling me there's 2 parts. Let's split it up. We've got 7 in parentheses squared. And then we got x3 to the square. Should know they're on top of each other. They multiply. 2 times 3. x6. 7 squared. Not sure. Let's do it. Parentheses 7 up to the 2. 49. Should be able to see that already. 49. Cross out this one and this one. Now let's bring down this other guy right here. We got parentheses 8 to the half. Not sure how to multiply fractions and whole numbers. No need to fear. We got 8 times alpha y equals enter. 1 over 2, 4. So we got x to the 4. These guys are next to each other. We just need to add them. 49x, 6 fingers, plus 4 fingers is 10. Am I right? B. Wonderful. A lot of stuff, but we're going to make it through, I promise. Sir, do I need to study all this stuff? You don't, but it's necessary if you want to try and pass. That's the only thing. If you want to try and pass, go for it. This is immediate. Divide it. Try your best. I don't want to waste any more time. Don't want to waste any more time. Try it. Okay, this is input. All you're doing is put in these numbers. 400, replace it for n. 52, 400 minus 0.05, 400 squared. Put that in your calculator. Check it out. The answer is G. Sorry, I don't want to waste no more time of yours. Okay, same thing here. Input it. I'll let you write it. I'll write it out for you. 1/3 parentheses 4 minus x's parentheses 16 goes in there, and then square it. You should get 48. I'm sorry. Don't get 48. Let me know what you're doing wrong. Same thing here. I'll help you write it out. Got 5 parentheses, got 11 in there, parentheses with the square plus 1, close that parentheses. A lot of information, ladies and gentlemen, I know. 2 more pages of hope. Oh my God, which one does not show a function? So they're all functions. Nothing's repeating, looks good. Nothing's repeating, looks good. There's 2 x's right here that are the same, 0.2, 0.2. That's not a function. And the last one, if you didn't learn it with Miss Wajita already, that 4 is telling me to multiply 1 at a time. So I start with 6. I multiply 6 times 4, 24. Is there a 24 around here? Boom. I think that's it, ladies and gentlemen. I'm sorry, the little videos are so long. There's 3 videos. Still try your best. I know it's a lot of information. It's going to be like this for the next couple days, but it's eager for you to try and learn the most you can. You want to pass this test. You need it to graduate. Very, very important. Oh, let me show you how to sign up for Saturday school if you want to come tomorrow. Remember, you want to pass a star, follow the notes, videos right here. My written notes will be underneath. This is the only grade you have for today. Make sure you do discussion. If you want to sign up for Saturday school, click this link right here. You must remember there is no transportation. Your parents have to come bring you and pick you up. That's the biggest thing. You click right here. You sign up for it. If you come, we'll have some fun. Maybe you get some prizes. Maybe you'll meet me for the first time. Just try and do your best. I promise you. Just try. School year's almost over. Y'all have a beautiful day.